How much do you think Zambia is worth? It's not possible to provide an exact valuation for a country like Zambia. The value of a country is a complex and multifaceted concept that includes factors such as its natural resources, economic output, infrastructure, human capital, and more. Typically, countries are not valued in the same way as companies or assets. One common way to assess the economic health of a country is to look at its gross domestic product, GDP, which represents the total value of all goods and services produced within the country's borders. However, this doesn't capture the full value of a country, as it doesn't account for natural resources, cultural heritage, or other non-economic factors. If you're looking for specific economic data about Zambia, such as its GDP, debt levels, or other financial indicators, I recommend checking with reputable sources like the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, or Zambia's own national statistical agencies for the most up-to-date and accurate information.